everyone, I'm Elisa with EECC Travels, and today I have a cruise tips video about what to pack and how to make a travel documents folder. So here's my most recent folder that I'm working on. It's for our Norwegian breakaway cruise, and I'm going to show you what all's in it. But why do we make a travel documents folder? For number one, it's ease of access. You've got everything in one place. So in here, we're going to put our boarding passes, our either birth certificates or passports. We're also going to print out anything that we got pre-cruise. So if you ordered a drink package, or if you have an internet package, or you pre-booked shows like on Norwegian and Royal Caribbean, you need to pre-book your show times. Print out confirmations of everything that you have done pre-cruise. Excursions, if you've pre-booked excursions. Print confirmations of that, because even though you may have it on an email, accessing that email may be a little spotty. So sometimes it's better just to have paper backups. Also, I make copies of our health insurance cards and everything that's in our wallets. So our driver's license, front and back, our credit cards, front and back. Also, I recommend don't take everything that's in your wallet on vacation. So if you have 4 credit cards, but you just have them, you don't use them all the time, take them out. Just take what you need for that trip. So the only thing you really need to take with you is your driver's license, your health insurance cards, and 1 credit card or debit card, maybe 1 backup, just to be safe. Other than that, any excess in your wallet, take out and leave at home. Because if your wallet is lost or stolen, you would have to notify every credit card company in there that your cards were lost or stolen. So if you've got it narrowed down to 2, that's a lot less to notify. Okay, so let's open up the folder and let me show you what's in here and how we organize it. Okay, so here's a folder with all of our cruise documents in it. I've just decorated the front, but inside we have this clear plastic pouch with our boarding passes and our passports. On this side, we have any other cruise-related documents. So for instance, this is our itinerary. This is our reservations for our shows. And then, see, pull this up a little bit. You can see all of the extras that we have. So we have a meal package, beverage package, short excursion credit, internet package, and prepaid gratuities. So printing these out, make sure that we have everything when we get on board, because you never know. I've had onboard credit before and got on board and it not show up, and I had the printed documentation to show I had it. So I put these types of documents on this side. In the center, you have what's easily accessible. So your passports and your boarding pass are easy to get to. Okay, then on the back side, I have copies of our health insurance cards. And I went to our health insurance website and checked to see if international travel was covered. It is to an extent, so I printed that out, so I have that handy. So I've got all of our health insurance information, and then copies of everything in our wallets. Okay, so front and back. So here's the front, here's the back, because if you lose one of these cards, you need the back, because there's the number where you're going to call and report it lost or stolen. So it's very important not to just copy the front, but to copy the back. So you can do it like this, or if you can get them all on one piece of paper, do them like this. So these are the types of items that we put into our cruise folder when we get ready to cruise. You want to see what it looks like after? Okay, here's our last one. So it looked like that when we got started, but after the cruise, we bring home a lot of good information. So these are the daily newsletters or daily fun times on Carnival. I'm kind of sentimental. I like to keep these things, but also they're a good reference to go back and see what all was available or going on while we were cruising. And then here's the full entertainment schedule for the week and photo packages. Oh, see, look, we did the Dr. Seuss breakfast. So here's our autograph sheet. We played Clue. So here's the Clue booklet. So lots of fun items that we just decided to keep. And then I have neat little notes. See, there's a little note from our cruise director, from the guest services associates, from the hotel director, etc. We got a gift sent to our room. Thank you again, Faye. That was very sweet of you. So we kept this. And then our VIFP status. So at the bottom, there was a drink ticket that we did cash in. And then I keep hold of these kind of things. So the folder serves two purposes. It gets your documents there. You can keep it all organized while you're on the cruise, and then you have a way to bring these types of items back if you care to do so. Okay, so if you have any questions about that, please leave them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer them for you. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe for more cruise tips videos to come. And until next time, happy cruising. Bye.